I would suggest that you leave one ear open to hear Caleb.
I do have one ear open actually. So
Thank goodness.
thanks for telling me what to do.
Good. Elias, I'm going to let you be aware that your breathing is very heavy. So heavy, in fact, that it sounds like a horse. You're breathing.
Wait, what? Am I breathing?
Yes, it's very loud.
Caleb, why'd you go that way?
Remember, boys, you never know when your dick's gonna get hard, so
Oh,
stay
God.
soft.
Oh, yeah, I'm being shot at. They're behind me. Bird, come save me.
Oh shit. Hold on.
Bird, shoot him!
What?
I did what I could. I could have swore I was gonna get someone down, but apparently not. Get behind me, Bird. I have a shield. Oh,
What do you think I have?
well. You know what I mean. Did we kill them all?
Yep, but there's another team. Another team. Oh shit, I'm about to die.
Oh, God.
Heal.
I need healing. Got one.
Okay, they're down. What are you guys doing?
Oh.
Got him.
I'm in some
Take out the
bad
last
health.
guy.
Oh, thank you, Bird.
Take out the last guy. Go, go, go. Fuck, he's all the way out there. I thought I got one down.
Wait, I'm way over here, so...
Dude, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. You
Well,
might die. Just know that.
Yeah, I might.
Dude, I stand behind this Peacekeeper now. This thing is dope. Can you spot him?
No!
Later, bitch. Fuck! You should not worry because I have a Mozambique. And that is the greatest weapon in the game.
Caleb's got a sniper.
Well, if he's got a shot, then take it. We got one guy down there. Another one on the other side. Oh, shit.
Oh. Like, right behind someone, so we haven't found it. What is that? Oh, gosh.
How did none of my bullets hit her? Get in that room, get in that room.
Woo! I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck.
Got him.
Oh! Got one.
Good. There might be another.
Oh, yeah. They're not far. Woo! I am almost dead. You guys better come.
Oh, they shut the door. Don't open it. Oh, shit. Oh, grenade! Shit! Watch out!
Frick!
Apparently you
Grenade
can't
did
shoot
a
their
lot.
teammates. That's so stupid. Oh, that was the last team! Shit! We could have won that.
Yeah, what do you mean? I'm in the valley. Oh my gosh, there's a guy in here with me. Oh, there's more people in. Oh, help me!
I'm coming. Where you at?
I'm out of here. Alright. Very much out of here. Someone, I'm coming up the stairs. Someone help me, please. Whoa!
Did you take her down?
Oh, the door, the door, the door! No, behind us! It's outside the door. Oh, nice. Bird, in this room! In this, yes!
Enemies outside. Got him! Keep out of sight.
Stay close to this wall and circle around.
Good idea. Behind us. Help! Okay, don't help me!
Oh,
Right on your right. On your right.
how strong are you? Good me.
Purple shield.
Got
Alright.
one.
Back out.
Yeah.
You need your shield
Oh,
back.
I killed the champion. Wow.
Why are you doing that in the open?
Threw some smoke.
Alright.
I did throw the smoke.
Caleb, run! This is why he needs a mic. Oh, you're so far out of the circle. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No, go to it! What were you thinking?
We take this balloon. Yes, good call, good call. We take the balloon. And then we get out of here. I'm not finding much here for you, Bird.
Yep. I think I'm just gonna have to piggyback off of you guys. Where the fuck is the balloon at? Oh my god, it's all the way over here.
What do you mean all the way over there? It's right there, Bird.
Shut your mouth. We're about to die. Ah, shit, I didn't make it. I'm boarding the ship, damn it. Hallelujah! Because it's better this way.
You went in the ship?
I was going
Oh
to.
gosh, where? Oh.
I'm just gonna try crawling to you. Fuck. 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 Game over.
I was healing.
Why didn't you go down the steps, Elias? Oh,
I didn't see the steps, and I don't want to hear anything from you, Bird. You ran by yourself. Yeah, we have time. Let's hit.
Oh man. Arcstar, game over. Dual auto pistols. Let's go. I'm gonna gangbang him. Going to try to kill him.
Fine, Caleb, you want it? There you go. You dropped it, Bird. Fine, I'll take it. Bird, are you dying by yourself again?
I'm not dying, and I am by myself, but like I said, I'm not dying.
Dang it. Coming around it's coming around through the door. Oh, never mind. That's another.
How did he not die? Let me ask you a question. What
Bird,
gun did you have?
No, let me ask you a question, Bird. What kind of game?
I'm sorry, what? Okay.
I will work harder. I will work.
Can I just
I'll
ask
work
this
harder
question?
To protect my team. Fine, Bird. I'll let you ask your question.
What gun did you have?
Oh, I had a submachine gun.
Okay, then there is absolutely no excuse why you died.
Oh, maybe because we had no plan. You went in there by yourself, and I did too.
Let me tell you this, man. I killed one of the enemies with just a pistol, and then I did extensive damage on another with just a pistol, and I was about to kill him.
Okay. How many kills did you get last round? That's right, you got none.
Well, I got one down.
But no kills.
I couldn't get the kill.
Good job, Bird. So what you've accomplished last game is you got no kills, and you got all of us killed.
Round one, fight. Oh, found the ship. I'm gonna oh shit, never mind. I'm going around.
Oh, freak! Someone help me.
Don't die. If you die, you suck.
Oh, I see one. Headed towards the building. Oh, I see the whole team.
Dude, I literally just ran around. Well, don't worry, I'm coming up behind him.
Got one.
Where's the other one? One down. Alright, there's just one left, Elias. Let's go after him.
Oh,
He's inside the building now, you know.
Oh,
Got him?
Whoa.
Is there another team?
I guess.
How have you not died? Got him.
That was
Fuck.
the team.
Let's go fuck him up, guys. Coming? Oh, okay. Got him. They're like right here. Grenade. Back up.
Get out of there! Get out of there! I threw my airdrop.
Got him.
Oh, well, I didn't know there was only one.
Don't die.
Got him.
Are they all dead?
Yeah, for real. Gosh.
That's what they're... Oh, there they are.
Well,
It's just
no,
2. There's only 2, right?
Whoa.
Oh,
I
shit.
think
Actually,
they're coming to us.
let them come to us.
I think they're inviting us over. Oh gosh.
There's a 3rd. Well, don't get hit.
I got hit.
One just dropped down. Be on your guard. Damn.
Yeah, I don't know how much I can actually hit with that.
Why don't we just kind of... Oh, we can't really fall back, can we? I guess go around the left. Left side. There's a guy who advanced, so be careful. Fuck, we gotta go.
What gun does he have?
Why don't you use smoke, Elias? What are you doing?
Could have called it out.
I did! I said left! We're going left! Fuck. Above us, above us! Fuck! Left! On your left! Caleb, on your left!